Yo, like, I'm hella busy right now because I'm busy with school and shit and like working on a time remap tutorial. But like, I decided to like give y'all a little tutorial, like a shake tutorial. It's not much, but yeah, bro. Enjoy the video, like, sub. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk much because like shit. But remember to experiment, highkey. Yeah. Also, like, these attributes or whatever you want to call them aren't like set. You can change them to whatever you want. So like, yeah, experiment. Like, you could do something great, highkey. This graph is important as fuck. Like, this is the graph you use to like make the movement, like, you know, like, yeah. So like, yeah, always use it or like change it around a bit to make it fit your liking. But yeah, also when you're editing, don't forget to add like the transition and stuff, like slides and all that. It makes the edit much more smoother and more cohesive, highkey. So yeah, do that. Yeah, like, don't make the frequency and like magnitude and all that fucking high, cause like, you know, that would just mess everything up. So like, keep them to like 3 hertz, like keep the frequency to like 3 hertz, 4 hertz, and like the magnitude under 400. Yeah, basically.
Yeah. You know I want you, it's not hard to tell. I think I messed up my bones when I fell for you. About these other hoes, oh well. Really don't care what your old one's been to you. Yeah, I know you've been through hell. Don't gotta tell me, you don't gotta mention it. Sorry if I don't come off as affectionate. Lots on my plate, I just have patience with me. Have patience with me. Oh, have patience with me. Have patience with me.
All the time I stop being patient with us, and I can't hear your words, girl, you're so far gone. You lift my heart without my back, and I can't ever think the same. It's weird you wanna come on back, but girl, I treated you the same. You can't just treat yourself like someone who loves you. And let me speak for you, I know that you want me to. And I don't ever be mean to you.
You know I want you, it's not hard to tell. I think I messed up my bones when I fell for you. About these other hoes, oh well. Really don't care.